The decision given by the referee. The match went in favor of the wrestler in red waistband, Chuhui Chijo. In the middle of the wrestling arena, the wrestler in red is Kuzuto Pesao and the wrestler in blue is Venuza Dawhu. Venuza Dawhu, the champion of the NWA Open Championship 2015. After this match, Vekui Medel versus Megotoli and Nika to be followed by the match between Venuza Dawhu and Kretonya Warrior. The first bout in favor of the wrestler in blue waistband, Venuza Dawhu.
Venuza Dawhu ne tuibam, kem zaibe pai kangpok bam pisina.
Tuang Kling from Myanmar, please come over here and pick your opponent's name.
The match goes in favor of the red waistband wrestler.